Hello students and hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you class 8 geography sums, how to solve and calculate relative humidity and absolute humidity on textbook page number 23. Question number 6, solve the following. First one, when the temperature of the air is 30 degrees Celsius, its vapor holding capacity is 30.37 grams per cubic meter. If absolute humidity is 18 grams per cubic meter, then what would be the relative humidity? In question what is given, write the statement. Vapor holding capacity is equal to 30.37 grams per cubic meter. Absolute humidity is equal to 18 grams per cubic meter. To find relative humidity, if you are finding the formula of relative humidity, you have to calculate the percentage of relative humidity, because the formula of relative humidity is relative humidity percent is equal to absolute humidity upon vapor holding capacity into 100, that is equal to 18 upon 30.37 into 100. First you have to multiply this numerator 18 into 100, that is equal to 1800 upon 30.37. In denominator 2 decimal place is there, that is after decimal point 2 digits are there. So again you have to multiply 100 both on numerator and denominator. 1800 upon 30.37 into 100 upon 100. So first you have to multiply this 1800 into 100, and then after that you have to multiply 30.37 into 100. When you multiply 1800 into 100, you get the answer 1,80,000. When you multiply 30.37 into 100, this decimal point will shift here and it becomes 3037. Now you have to divide 1,80,000 by 3037. You have to write the table 3037 from 1 to 10. When you are dividing 6 digits number by 4 digits number, you have to take 5 digits number last, which is coming small. First one is 3037, 5 is going 15,185. Last small you have to take, and then subtract it 18,000 minus 15,185. I am getting the answer 2,815. Then this 0 you have to bring it down. Okay, 28,150 it comes, and 3,037 9s are is 27,333. Last small you have to take, because 3,037 10s are is 30,370. 30,370 is greater than 28,150. So you have to take 3,037 9s are 27,333. Okay. Now subtract this 28,150 minus 27,333. I am getting the answer 817. When you are bringing this 0 down, you have to put decimal point here, and then you have to bring this 0 down. Okay, because before this 0 decimal point is there. Then 3037 2s are 6,074. You have to subtract 8,170 minus 6,074. I am getting the answer 2,096. Okay, then last 0 you have to bring it down. Then finally 3,037 6 are 18,222, and then you have to subtract 20,960 minus 18,222. Here there is little correction, mistake is there number. I have done correction here. This is 18,222. Okay, and then subtract it 20,960 minus 18,222. I am getting the answer 2,738. Okay, up to 2 decimal place you have to do the division, because the division is continued. So the answer is 59.26%. Therefore, relative humidity is equal to 59.26%. You have to read it as 59.26%. Okay. After decimal point, it will be read as 162636 like this. Next, what would be the absolute humidity of air if 1 cubic meter air contains 4.08 grams of vapor at 0 degree Celsius temperature? The formula of absolute humidity is very simple. In question what is given, you have to write that. In question is given mass of water vapor is equal to 4.08 grams. Volume of air is equal to 1 cubic meter. To find absolute humidity, when you are finding absolute humidity, they are giving mass and volume. The unit of mass is grams. The unit of volume is cubic meter and cubic centimeter. Okay. The formula of absolute humidity is equal to mass of water vapor upon volume of air, that is equal to 4.08 upon 1 is equal to 4.08 gram per cubic meter. Therefore, absolute humidity is equal to 4.08 gram per cubic meter. If you understood relative humidity and absolute humidity geography sums, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.